All right, so we have a widget list here that we can add to it. We can remove things, right? We can save it back to the server. Let's take a look at where we are so far. All right, so this is becoming a little bit unwieldy, a little bit kind of long for one page, for one file. Let's clean this up a little bit. Let's see. We can first let's create a constant file that has all these. Yeah, so let's create under source. We'll create constants. So this will be constants slash index.js. Yes, add them, and this will be we'll have const. We'll do an export const save equal to save. What else do we need here? We have save. Let's go to a reducer here, right? So we'll have find all widgets. So it'll be export const. So there's going to be a whole bunch of these. Oops. So we'll have find all widgets. We have delete widget. We have add widget. Oops. Was there another one? That's it. All right, so we have that. And we can import this from here. We can say import all those. Let's see, find all widgets. Actually, we can import everything, I think. Isn't it star? I thought it was star. No? Star? No, I guess I don't remember the syntax. Find all widgets, add widget, delete widget, and save widget, and that's it, right? Save. And then we can replace all these, right? So this will be find all widgets. This is add widget. This is save widget. And what else? Let's see. Delete widget here. Then we have what else here? This is save. Save. This is find widgets. And now that we've moved the constants there, we can maybe perhaps move the reducer as well. Okay. Let's see if we broke anything. Let's refresh. Okay, looks like it's still working. All right, so now that we moved that away, we can now perhaps move the reducer as well. Let's see. Let's move. I don't believe we need this anymore. And we can move the reducer. So let's see. Let's copy here. So copy. Let's cut it out. And let's bring here the reducer. So this will be reducers. And this is the widget reducer.js. And we'll paste it in there. And we'll need these imports. So let's bring those imports. And so we'll import from constant that is one above us, right? And we'll need to export this. So this will be export, and we'll need to import it from here. Oops. It will be import. What is it? Widget reducer. All right, let's see if we broke anything. Let's refresh. All right, so it looks like it's still working. All right. Again, just applying some good practice here. Let's see, what else? Perhaps we could move all these from here. Who's using these? These is being used by, let's see, by all these properties, right? Find all widgets, all these find all widgets. The initial state, are we using the initial state anymore? We're not, right? So we can just blow that away. The mapper is needed by the container, so we need to leave that. We can probably move the widget out of here, right? So let's move this out of here. So let's copy that and let's put that in a component. Right, so we'll put new, and this will be component, and this will be widget component. And we can put that in there. We'll need a couple things here. We'll need to export that. So we'll export this. We'll need the connect from Redux. So that's import. We'll need React, obviously, from React. We'll probably need also connect from where? From React Redux, is it? React Redux. What else do we need? We need those constants, right? So import. We'll need delete widget from constants. What else do we need? Let's see. I think that's it. And we'll need to import it. Import that component right here, right? So we'll import the widget widget from. Actually, what is it? What is it called? Widget container. Widget container, right? That's what we're using in the widget list, right? The widget container. So the widget container from where? From components, and then widget. All right. Okay. So I think we can remove this out of here. Let me try it out. Let's see if it breaks. Oops. Okay. There we go. So we're good, right? So we can import that. So we're still good. Can we delete? Yep. Okay. All right, so we can just remove that out of the way. What else? What else do we need to move out of here? We can move this container out of here, right? We can also move all these actions out of here. Let's see. Let's import. Let's move all these action creators into actions. So this will be new, and this will be actions index.js. And this will be all these, and we're going to export these. So export. And what else? What else do we need here? The only thing we need here is maybe these constants, right? So let's import those, right? So those will be import the find all widgets, the add widgets, and the save. That's all we need, right? So we can remove that. And instead just import find all widgets. What else do we need from add widget and save? Okay, let's see. Still working. Still we haven't broken it. All right. What else do we need? Let's see. So all these mappers, right? All these mappers, they're all needed for who? They're all just needed for widget lists, right? So we can take the entire widget list, right, as a container, right, and move it into its own file. So let's do that. So we can let's see. We're going to leave the store here. We'll leave the store here, but all this, right, this is all widget list stuff, right? So we can move all this out of here. Let's see. Okay, well, let's move that. And we can put it in a container. So let's say source new file in containers, and this will be widget list container, right? And we'll just paste it in here. Let's see, what do we need here? We need for that component, we need React. So we'll do import React, and we'll also need component from React. Okay. What else do we need here? We need. Do we need anything else? We need this connect, right? We need the connect. So it will be import connect from React Redux. What else do we need? Let's see. Anything else we need? State prob, dispatcher. I think that's it. And this is what we're going to export. So export this. And we can just bring this app right here. So this will be import app from, why is that yellow? from containers. Okay. Oops, is not defined. Fine. What I do? Which import? Huh? Is it just app? Widget list is not defined. Widget list, widget container. Oh, in here it says that it's not defined. Widget list. Use class. What are you complaining about? Ooh, oh wow, those are the actions, no? So we need to import those too. Thank you. So this is save. Oops. Save. From actions, we also need find all widgets. And what else? Add widget. Okay, very good. Thank you. Anything else? Widget list, it's not defined. Line 21. Line 21. Line 21. Oh, widget container, right? We need to bring that too. So that's from where? That's import widget container from, I think that's in components, no? I think. Is it? Is it? Oh, I think it's a widget, but inside of a container, and that's what I exported. I think I might have not said that this is an export default. Widget. Wait a minute. Widget export default widget container. Export was not found in widget list. In widget list. Oh, and okay, and I need to export this. So this will be export default app. Maybe? Yay! Okay. There we go. All right. So we added. So we just split up the application into smaller pieces, right? So that we can better work with them individually, right? As opposed to just working in this huge file. Okay. All right. So now we can go back and add perhaps different types of widgets, right? And depending on the type of widget, we want to render different things, right? Perhaps a heading widget or a paragraph widget, right? And have those going as well. So let's take a look at that next.